Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with the essentials. Power off both boxes and assemble Coax, HDMI, and any required serial/USB cable. Connect the satellite dish Coax to the HD decoder LNB in first. This ensures signal routing before network links. Once done, link the HD decoder's HDMI to your TV so you can monitor diagnostics. Next, attach the Coax loop or dedicated feed from the HD decoder to the Explora's LNB in. Make sure all F-type connectors are tight to avoid loss. Now you configure how they talk. Power both units and access the HD decoder's menu, enable Xtraview or client pairing, and note its receiver ID. Then go to the Explora's network satellite settings and choose Add Receiver or Client. Input that ID and select the correct LNB type and die SXC if used. Once paired, synchronize channel lists and symbols. Make sure you test a few channels. If channels fail, rescan with the same satellite and reapply the ID to force linkage. Finish by saving settings and running a full scan on the Explora so it populates channels via the HD decoder. After the scan, reboot both boxes to solidify the Xtraview session and then test live channels and EPG sync. If something goes wrong, first check physical connections and ground. Loose F connectors are common culprits. If signal is low, swap Coax or try a different cable run. Finally, re-enter the receiver ID and repeat pairing. This resolves most mismatches and completes the setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.